Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1965 Pontiac GTO, one of the original muscle cars of America, and certainly in the 60s as well, for sure. But before we get into the 65 GTO, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We're in Sarasota, Florida. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. We are located on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. As we scan through, as I mentioned, we keep about 100 cars in inventory. You'll see several Corvettes here. We have a C1, C2, you see a C8, also a C7 over there, and a C4, and a beautiful, beautiful saddle tan 63 split window that just got finished being restored by us in-house. That is a NCRS's judge's vehicle, so very thrilled to be completing that car. But back to the inventory. Again, we ship all over the US and all over the world, so if you are interested in any of the cars you see today or any cars on our website, please check out our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. And as I mentioned, we are able to ship all over the world and US. We use a third-party shipper that can certainly get you your car wherever you happen to be. As I mentioned earlier as well, about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% is domestic classic cars. The other 20% is either luxury and or European, and or in this case a exotic, a GT3 Club Sport, one of 500. But back to this beautiful Tiger Gold 65 GTO. You see the red line tires. We'll go through the car here. Again, a well done with the Hurst wheels, black vinyl top. Paint is in absolutely excellent condition. See the GTO badging. If I go too fast with the camera, please feel free to visit our website, as we have over 70 pictures of this vehicle on our website, and so the color will be a little bit brighter in the interior on the website. You'll also see the underneath, the inside the trunk, engine compartment on the website as well. If you're looking for financing, we do have finance partners that can finance classic cars, and if you're looking at a late model, we also have some finance partners that will look at financing late models as well. So full service dealership here in Sarasota, Florida. As we go through this vehicle, this 65 GTO, we'll go ahead and start it shortly, let you see it, but want to see the interior, see the black bucket seats. Does have a tack, and clock does work in this vehicle. Seat belts, comes with a console. Mechanically wise, you see a 4-speed in there, and then when we come under the hood, you see the coveted tri-power 389 360 horse, and yes, it does have the WS stamp. Has power steering, power brakes. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. We'll go ahead and connect the battery, as the batteries are disconnected while they're inside, and then we'll start this up for you. Again, if you look at the stance, just a beautiful stance, as it should be on this 65 GTO. Let's go ahead and connect the battery here. And it is a cold start. As you can see here, everything is cold, and we will go ahead and start it up, let you listen to it. Make sure we're in neutral, obviously. And go ahead and get the brake key. Hold on just a second here. Shut the radio off so you can hear it. Alright, well, third time's the charm. Blinker off. Sorry about that. Yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful car. 65 GTO. Again, hard to see. I know it's dark inside here. Pictures online at our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota. You will see interior pictures are much better. Make sure we're in neutral here. Good, I'll let you listen to the exhaust. Again, very well spec'd. Tiger gold, the black vinyl top, the red line tires. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Exhaust sounds fantastic. Got the rumble of the 60s. No smoke or water coming out of exhaust. Engine sounds as it should. Markings. Labeled as everything as it should. Again, a very well done restoration, period correct. Fully documented by the PHS documents. Go ahead and rev up a little bit here so you can hear it. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com for this 65 GTO. Again, just a beautiful, beautiful car here. Very well done. Fully documented 65 GTO. If you have any questions, as I mentioned, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com, and thank you for tuning in.